We're often asked a simple question: what are Sigma's most compelling capabilities? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the four that consistently drive the fastest impact for customers. It all starts with every IT leader has lived the same nightmare. A widespread outage hits, patches fail, teams scramble, and what should take hours turns into days or weeks. When the CrowdStrike incident took millions of systems down, the real damage wasn't just the event, it was how long it took organizations to recover at scale. Security patching is the perfect example. It's never just patching. It's fleet selection, maintenance windows, reboots, validation checks, exceptions, audit trails, and change records across VMware and cloud, often with different tools and different playbooks. That's why we built Sigma Automate, an AI-powered, agentless IT automation platform built for IT administrators, not programmers. It's designed for day one value. Connect your environment, use visual workflows to orchestrate operations, and use AI to reduce the automation and troubleshooting burden. Let me show this through the highest stakes workflow, fleet-wide security patching. Here I'm selecting 6 VMs that need to be patched so I can take bulk actions. Sigma lets an IT admin define patch policy once: who gets patched, when, what gets validated, and then apply it repeatedly, safely, with audit records automatically going to ServiceNow. We can patch by logical groups like tags, so teams don't maintain brittle VM lists, and we can promote patches through rings, lower risk groups first, then broader rollouts. Instead of a weekend fire drill, patching becomes predictable automation where humans only step in for exceptions. In a CrowdStrike-like event, the difference is simple. Sigma is built to scale the recovery workflow, fast, across thousands of systems by simply recording the corrective action once and applying it to all affected machines like I'm showing here with our Remote Connect feature. Now here's where AI changes the game. IT teams aren't short on work, they're short on time and specialized automation talent. Sigma's AI Copilot helps in 2 ways. Generate and manage scripts like PowerShell so admins don't have to hand roll everything, and troubleshoot failures by turning scattered signals, logs, job results, environment context into our recommended next step. The goal isn't AI magic. The goal is fewer escalations, fewer retries, and faster remediation with guardrails and auditability. This is the core, Sigma's visual workflow builder. It's drag and drop orchestration for real IT operations. A patch workflow might include scan, stage, patch, reboot, verify services, open, update an ITSM record, export evidence for audit. And because it's visual, it becomes shared operational knowledge, not tribal knowledge living in one-person scripts. Sigma is agentless. That matters because agents add security risk, deployment friction, and operational overhead. With Sigma, teams can onboard and automate quickly without weeks of building a DevOps automation program. That's why the ROI shows up fast. Fewer manual hours, fewer patch failures, faster recovery, and less operational drag. In addition to the 4 use cases we just covered, here's a quick tour of Sigma's other capabilities across dashboards, compute management, infrastructure automation builds, AI and security, and compliance reporting. Customers benefit from a unified dashboard for all virtual infrastructure, cloud, on-prem, and virtual desktops. Diving into compute management, we offer multiple selections, so you can apply bulk actions, general overview of all compute resources, utilization of each CPU, processes across VMs, power control, and deletion management. Running scripts at scale across all your VMs, AI-powered terminals to fetch and broadcast commands across all instances. This helps solve many problems with an AI Copilot. Troubleshoot virtual machines, full troubleshooting reports, custom checks, and security analysis, patch control, benchmark standards, application assessments, services introspection, full feature control, and group policy management. Virtual machine builds from custom templates, build images, full orchestration, workflows, playbooks, visual diagramming and templating. Here's a sample of using ServiceNow to trigger creating a new user in a VDI system. shared script library, community scripts, full reports, infrastructure assessment for migrations to and from cloud, patch compliance for CISOs, and full administration RBAC capabilities. Customers tell us Sigma changes their operating model. Site One put it best. Sigma turned patching from a weekend fire drill into a predictable process, where the team only jumps in for exceptions. We're building the platform that brings enterprise-grade automation to the IT teams who've been left behind by DevOps-centric tools.